We, the students of Class 12 Science, are here with a conversation between two friends regarding the issue of brain drain in India.
Vidisha, I have amazing news. I got accepted into one of the top universities in the USA. Can you believe it?
Wow, that's huge! Anushka, congratulations! But wait a second, does that mean you are leaving India for good?
Not sure yet, but honestly, the research facilities and career prospects there are way better. It feels like the right step for my future.
But have you considered how India is losing so many talented minds like you? Brain drain is a serious issue, Anushka.
I get that, Vidisha, but let's be real. Research infrastructure here still lags behind, and the salary packages abroad are much higher.
True, but things are changing. The government is investing heavily in science and technology, and there are fantastic scholarships to support students like you. Why not consider them before making a final decision?
Scholarships? You mean like the usual government ones? I haven't really explored them. Are they actually worth it?
Absolutely. Here are some top-notch ones you should check out. Inspire, Innovation in Science Pursuit for Inspired Research, a prestigious initiative by Department of Science and Technology to nurture scientific talent in India. Prime Minister's Research Fellowship, PMRF, offers generous funding for PhD students in India's top institutions like IITs and IISc. CSIR NET JRF, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Junior Research Fellowship, a great opportunities for students aiming for research in scientific fields. KVPY, Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana, encourages students at the school and college level to take up a career in scientific research. National Overseas Scholarship, NOS, for SC/ST students. Even if you choose to study abroad, this scheme provides financial aid for higher studies in science and technology.
Wow, I honestly had no idea about all this. These actually sound promising. Maybe I should reconsider my options.
You should. Imagine being a part of next scientific revolution in India. If we all leave, who will build the future here?
You make a strong point, Vidisha. I'll take a serious look at these scholarships. Maybe staying back and contributing to India's growth wouldn't be such a bad idea after all.
That's the spirit. No matter where you study, just remember that your knowledge can make a difference right here at home.
Thanks, Vidisha. You've given me a lot to think about. Let's research these scholarships together.
Thank you and have a nice day.